So hey guys, hello there once again. Welcome back to our channel Artwithshagun. This is your friend Shagun, and here I am back with another video. So basically guys, it have been a very long time since I have created and uploaded a video onto my channel. So today here I am with a few of new video and few of new content onto my channel. So basically this video is going to be a kind of a Hindi video. So it's time to switch up. So yes guys, today I would be doing a kind of a duo of Hindi and English. So आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग चीज़ जो कि मैंने अभी परचेज़ की है फ्रॉम अमेजोन. जस्ट गॉट द पैक एंड सैनिटाइज ईच एंड एवरी सिंगल थिंग, केप्ट देम आउट ऑफ द हाउस फॉर 2 days एंड रेडी टू शो यू ऑल. सो बेसिकली मैंने आज यहाँ पर कुछ प्रोडक्ट लिए जिसकी मैं आपको फ़ोटो यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे दे दूँगी साइड में. एंड दिस इज़ द वेरी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज़ द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट एंड here comes the third product. So basically मैंने ये तीनों चीज़ें ऑर्डर की थी फ्रॉम अमेजोन एंड यू विल गेट द डिस्क्रिप्शन सो बेसिकली आपको इन सभी चीज़ों की परचेज लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी. यू कैन विजिट देयर एंड चेक आउट दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सपोर्ट आवर चैनल बाय वाचिंग दैट कंप्लीट एड ओवर देयर. So yes guys, it's time to unbox each and every single thing. So let me bringing the things to our main place. So here is the very first thing. It's too big guys. I just got it something like this, and here it is. So I will be showing you only one out of all these because they are too big, and you will be able to know that how all they are by watching one only. So let me take out the one piece. ओके सो गाइस, यहाँ पे मैंने एक सिंगल पीस निकाल लिया है इस फ्लावर सेट का. सो बेसिकली मैंने इसे ऑर्डर किया फ्रॉम अमेजोन एंड इट वॉज फॉर अराउंड, okay, you can see the price on the screen right now. So this was ordered from Amazon and मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. It's something like related to crepe paper but not a crepe paper. It's something, wait for a second, let me focus it. It's something related to, you know, that of the plastic sheets, or I don't know what to say them, but still they are of good quality and I just like them a lot. So yes, this was all this product, how it just came to me. And you know what guys, इसकी क्वालिटी भी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी and I liked the product very much. So yes, this was all that I just wanted to say about this product. So आप देख ही सकते हैं बाकी सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे. And here it is, the complete product. सो ये मैंने यहाँ पे एक सिंगल कलर ये ऑर्डर किया था जो कि डबल कलर में था. मैंने एक सिंगल कलर भी ऑर्डर किया है. सो लेट मी शो यू दैट सिंगल कलर. वेट फॉर अ सेकेंड गाइज. So yes guys, here is the second color, that is this orange color, and basically this is also a kind of a marigold replicate, and I just like this product also, and you may be able to see the product quality. So basically मुझे यहाँ पे 5 पीस इस वाले के मिले and 5 pieces of this two color set, and totally I got 10 pieces of these flower string. And soon I will share my decoration video of complete Navratri look at my house and puja room. So yes, I am just preparing these things for that only, for my Navratri video. And if you want to watch that video also, that how I'm going to celebrate my Navratri, how I'm going to do decoration, then you have to do only one single thing, that is just subscribe to my channel, click on that notification bell so that you get notified whenever my new video is uploaded. And please right now just do this thing, that is like this video. So yes guys, this was all about these flower string and I just love them. I could even use this into my Diwali decoration. I just like them and their length is kind of a good one. So let me hang it somewhere and show you that how these flower string would look like. So here I hope that you all might be able to see this. And basically the very first one, this two color set, I just loved it. It is like a bit vibrant than this plain marigold one. So yes, मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद आया ये वाला. And guys, soon I'm going to have a kind of a complete room tour video for you guys. And यही नहीं, मैं आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपने रूम की जो मेरे रूम में हैं and how does my workplace look like. So ये सारे videos बहुत जल्दी मेरे चैनल पे आने वाले हैं. And if you guys are interested, you know what you have to do. You have to stay tuned with my channel. And now it's time to go on to our main position. So let's get into there. सो यस गाइस, जैसे कि आपने अभी भी देखा दैट कंप्लीट मैरीगोल्ड स्ट्रिंग फ्लावर्स. सो नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द सेकेंड थिंग दैट इज like totally different from these flowers. So it's a kind of a wall sticker, that is acrylic wall sticker, and I have already shown you the pic, but still let me show it again over here, and its price would be mentioned on the screen. Right, it's time to show you guys the wall sticker. So what are we waiting for? Let's go there and bring it in into the video. So yes guys, here I am with this. Oh, wait for a second. So yes guys, here I am with the sticker. So basically it came in this kind of a box, and I didn't like its packaging because it was totally damaged, but I checked out the product inside it. It was totally like good. And let me show you the things inside it. So yes, these are the things that we get inside it. I'm just like, oh, okay, so these are the things that we get inside this. Wait for a second. So yes, these are the things that we get inside it. And here few, oh, wait for a second. Are you guys able to see this? I think I found few of the scratches over here. So here is this acrylic piece, and I think it's a bit scratched one. So yes, and you know what guys, what we have to do to apply it over a place? We just need to do this. Let me show you. We have to scrape this. Okay, so right now I am not going to use it. That's the reason why I just put it back, each and every single thing into its position. So here are these dots, and these are golden dots that are 100 in numbers. And then we get these diya combo, and it's around 50 piece that get into the pack. So let me open this pack and show you that how it looks. Okay, so I just got this, and diya. Okay, this is how it looks. So we have to paste it something like this. I like the product, and this is how I just got. And yes guys, this is all about this diyas. So basically guys, I hope that you all would have liked all the product that I just bought today, and this was the final product that I wanted to show you guys. So soon I'm just going to show you that how I'm going to decorate all the things. So if you want to watch that video, stay tuned with our channel. I hope that you all would have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel. And if you have any query related to all these products, just comment down below in the comment section. I hope that you all would have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.